Hey guys, I'm Brandi Phillips with Pennant Real Estate. I want to welcome you to 264 Lake Decad Court in Houma, Louisiana. Come on in and take a look. This gated neighborhood features a community pool and clubhouse, baseball field, playground, pond for fishing, and tennis courts. Once again, this is Brandi Phillips with Pennant Real Estate. I want to thank you for touring this lovely home we have here at 264 Lake Decad Court in Houma, Louisiana. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at 225-413-7655.